Guys, I'm going to do an unboxing. I actually had this delivered to the house today. It's a bunch of Blackstone accessories. I'm trying to think of what the name of this, HaSteel, something like that. I'm going to share the link in the description box, but I'm part of a Facebook group for Blackstones. It's called Blackstone Owner something. Anyway, somebody shared this on there. I can't think of what the name of it is. Somebody shared this link on there. So this whole box is $25.49 from Amazon. Now, I wanna open it up. I haven't even looked at it yet, and this is going to be extremely amateur. No editing. We're just going to go ahead and do this and share it. The dogs are going crazy. So you do get a little pouch to carry it in if you want. Couple of squirt bottles. Again, $25.49 for everything you're looking at, and these will be good. You know, it's not Blackstone quality, obviously, but man. So a set of tongs, and they got some wood on there. I'm famous for burning or melting my other spatulas. So yeah, I mean, they're not the best quality in the world, right? Because you're getting all of this for 25 bucks. But you know, for backups or whatever, I mean, look at what you're getting. I mean, is it gonna last you as long as a Blackstone product? No. This is really what I wanted. I don't even have one of these. So the handles are just a little loose, the wood, but listen, I'm a poor guy with a Blackstone, and right now, oh look it's a little heart. Right now, value means a lot to this household, so I couldn't pass this up for $25.49. What is this? Oh, okay. Comes with like 6 S hooks, which always come in handy, even if you're not going to use them outside for griddling. Everybody needs S hooks. And this must be the little handle for another little dome. It's a smaller dome versus the big Blackstone one that I have. So some assembly required. Just got to put your little handle on the top. And if you're going to do vegetables or just a couple burgers, you know, everybody knows that watches my videos how much vegetables they cook out there. The dogs just can't handle it. But yeah, I mean, this is just going to be a quickie. I wanted to show you guys this. I'll share the link. This is most important. But all this for 25 bucks, that's not bad. I mean, look at all the utensils you're getting. Is this going to last you 25 years? No. It's not, but I'll bet you it lasts quite a while. I mean, what's going to happen? You're grilling food. It's not going to really fall apart. And if you just, you know, you can use these for water when you're cleaning the Blackstone or whatever the case may be. $25.49 for all this. Check it out. I'll share the link if you're interested. It's a great price for quite a few tools. So that's what I got for you. Poor guy Blackstone. Peace out.